Welcome to the Vaccine Cooler and Cold Chain Management VR training program. Here's a quick outline of the core skills and rotate and inspect the internal structure, perform the shake test, observe the transition, prepare for vaccine transport in a realistic VR. In this activity, freeze. Let's pause for a quick quiz to check your recall. Why is it essential to separate PCM panels with wooden sticks during freezing? Now that your PCM panels have been properly frozen and removed, Let's pause for a quick quiz to assess your understanding of PCM panel assembly and thermal preparation. Your responses will be saved in your UAB House Calls Learner account. What happens if condensation isn't wiped off PCM panels before loading? How does the shake test confirm PCM panel readiness? Begin by examining the 3D model of the vaccine cooler. Let's pause for a quick quiz to assess why is strict temperature control crucial in vaccine storage and transport? How does proper PCM panel preparation enhance the effectiveness of the vaccine cooler? What steps ensure compliance with cold chain protocols in home healthcare settings? Welcome to Activity 4, Temperature Monitoring and once loaded, keep lid openings to a... Let's take a quick quiz to evaluate your... What risk do liquid PCM panels pose to the vaccines you are transporting? How does using fewer PCM panels impact vaccine integrity? What can happen if you assemble PCM panels immediately after removing them from the freezer? To ensure vaccine safety, accurate temperature logging is essential. Monitor temperature at 3 key points while looking at the digital thermometer. Start by recording the temperature. During field use, record the temperature each time. If the temperature exceeds the 2 to 8 degrees Celsius range, the system will trigger an alert. At the end of your shift, take one final reading and log it before returning to the By tracking temperatures at these 3 key points, packing, how do frequent lid openings affect temperature-sensitive products in the vaccine cooler? What should you do if the temperature inside the vaccine cooler fluctuates outside the required range? Before ending your shift, it is well done. You've completed the preparation module. You are now equipped with the essentials of cold chain handling using your... Let's review the key steps you've completed. Freeze panels, lay... Great work! You've made it to the final step. Now it's time for the final. Why must wooden sticks separate PCM panels in the freezer? Why should the vaccine cooler stay in the employee's car during field work? What happens if condensation isn't wiped off before loading? How does the shake test confirm the readiness of a portion of the PCM panel? What can happen if you assemble the panels right after removing them from the freezer? How does using fewer panels impact vaccine integrity? How do frequent lid openings affect temperature-sensitive products? What actions should be taken if the temperature fluctuates outside the required range? Thank you for completing this training. Your dedication to learning embodies the mission of UAB House Calls,